Hello, let's do the New York Times Medium Sudoku for May 25th, 2024. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. Unfortunately, I am low on time today, so I'm going to do kind of a normal solve of the medium instead of a very deep walkthrough, but hopefully it's still helpful for those who needed help on the puzzle. All right, so we do have two ones in this band, so we have a one in one of these two cells. And if you want an explanation, a deep explanation of my solve style and what exactly I'm doing, there's a whole lot of medium solves before this one where I go through that in depth. So hopefully you can reference that at least today. I don't plan on omitting it entirely from all of them, just today I'm low on time. All right. I also am seeing we have this 3 and this 3 looking into this box. That does put a 3 in one of these two cells. That's going to point down along with this 3, and that's going to put a 3 here. Okay. What else do we have going on here? I'm seeing a bunch of 5s looking into this box as well. It's a 5 in one of those two. Let's mark that. I don't know that there's anything else to find here. So we'll move on. Okay. We do have two 4s looking into this box. Puts a 4 in one of these two. Let's see, 1, 2, 7, 8. So, okay, we do have 7s repeated. In fact, we have enough 7s to place one in this box. Those look up, putting a 7 in one of those two. It's the only other repeat. The 4 digits needed in this box are 1, 2, 8, 9. Well, the 1, this one here, says 1's only in one of these two cells. That's going to point up, removing 1 from this cell. That places the 1, which then places the 3. Nice. We do it in the corner because we placed a 3 there. There's these two 3s looking in. There's a 3 in one of those 3. What else is going on here? So, placing that 3. I'm going to look at this column, which is down to 3 digits. We need a 2, 6, and 8. I'm just going to mark it. I'm only seeing this 8 down here. Okay. What else did we need here? We needed 2, 8, 9. Okay, this one's not 8, so this is 1, 2, 9. This one's not 2, so this is 1, 8, 9. Okay. Anything else to see here? We do have, let's just mark this since I see it. We have two 1s looking down. This 5 looking down here. What's a 5 in one of these two cells? Can mark that. Okay, I don't see anything else to do here. Let's move on to the next band. I do have two 9s looking in. This 9 looks down, so 9 is placed in this box. That removes all of these 9s and places the 9 in this box as well. So this is now a 1, 2, 8 triple. See if that does anything interesting to the rest of the column. So we have 1, 2, 3. We need 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. None of these are 4, so 4 in this column can only go here. And this is left as a 5, 6, 7 triple, which means this cannot be the 6. The 6 is down here. This triple here is 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. I'm going to mark it, but we only have this 8 here helping. That does mean 8's in one of these two cells. I guess we could have seen that from the repeated 8s. We didn't get there yet. What about 6 and 7? Anything interesting there? Not that I can see. Okay, what about this row, which is down to 4 open cells? We need a 2, 3, 5, and 7. I'm seeing that. Okay, I'm seeing 2, 5, and 7, so we might as well mark it 2, 3, 5, 7. Let's clean it up. That's not 7, that's not 2, that's not 5. Okay. Not immediately helpful though. I've got this 3 and 4 looking in. Okay, so I do have some 3s looking into this box, finding a 3 in one of these two. 6, 7, 8. All right, well, I'm going to look at the stacks now. Let's see, I got the 1s already. It's the 8 and 9. Okay, we have two 8s looking up. Puts an 8 in here. This 9 and this 9. Put a 9 in one of these two cells. Missed that earlier. Let's see, 1. We got the 5, yeah. I'm going to move on. Let's do this stack. We've got the 1 and the 3, the 4 and the 7. All right, 2 7s we got marked. 3s we marked. I really don't think there's anything else there. We did this stack. Okay, so what did I miss? This 5 6 7 triple, I shouldn't have put a 7 there, and that does make a 2 8 pair here. Missed that. I should have done that earlier. So that means that this is not an 8. That places the 8 in this box. Okay, follow up on that. This 8 looks in. This 2 8 pair says these aren't 8. This 8 looks up. That places the 8 and the 7. This can't be 7. Okay, what else? We got the 7, we got the 8. Okay, we do have two 8s here now. And this 8 looks in, puts an 8 in one of these two cells. Okay. 5 6 7. 1 2 8. I mean, we know 7's in one of these two. I don't know if that's worth marking, but I'll do it anyway. All right, what else did I miss here? I need a 5 in this column, but there's two places for it. Just saying what I'm seeing here. 7 8 3. No. Did this 2 8 pair also affects the 2? So let's see how that. Yeah, okay, so this is a tough spot. This 2 looks up into here, this 2 8 pair looks into here. So 2 ends up in one of these two cells. That's going to point down along with this 2, putting a 2 here. So the important thing is that this isn't 2 anymore. So let's think about what it can be, because it can't be 1, 2, 3. Could be 4, 5, 6. That's still a lot. What about this row, which is down to 4 digits? We need 2, 6, 7, 9. I'm saying the 9 is only here, right? This can't be 9, and this can't be 9, and this can't be 9. So 9 in this row is only here. We can place it. So now these two 9s look in. This 9 looks in, putting a 9 in one of these two cells. These remaining digits are 2, 6, 7. This one's not. Oh, neither of them are 7s. Okay. So this row is the gift that keeps on giving. That makes this is the 7 for the row. Up to the 5 6 pair here. We have these two 7s looking in. This 7 looks up, placing this 7. It means this is not 7, and also we have these two 7s looking down, putting a 7 in one of these two cells. And I think actually those are the only 7s left. These 7s and these 7s. A sort of rectangle of 7s that won't resolve itself. Okay. That was pretty good. This got filled. 1 7 8 9 are already in here. 2 is not. We have that marked. Okay. What else can we find here? I mean, these aren't 2 2. In fact, let's do the rest of this row, which is 4 left besides the 2 8 pair. So we have 1 2 3. We need 4 5 6 and 9. I'm going to fill that out. 4 5 6 9. Okay, yeah, this can't be the 5 or the 9. So it's down to 4 6. This can't be the 9, but this can be any. So I'm going to erase that. We don't want 4 marked in a cell. This is a 4 5. Oh, right, but 9 in this row is also restricted. Okay. Almost missed that, but by erasing this, I saw that this was a 4 5 6 triple. So that's a 9. I wasn't paying attention enough when I thought about the digits. Happens. These two 9s look down, putting a 9 here. We have all the 9s here. How many 9s do we have, actually? Yeah, so we're down to this rectangle of 9s. Okay. The rest of this box is 2, 4, 5, 6. I actually don't see any restriction on 2, 4, 5, 6 here, which is unfortunate. This just isn't 2, so this is 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, the box says it's 3, 4. Actually, the box has 4 left. The box is. I missed something. The box has 2, 4. Wait, 2, 3, 4, 6 left. This isn't 2, so this is 3, 4, 6. This can be any of 2, 3, 4, 6, I think. Yeah. All right, I'm still missing something. What about this 4, 7? Anything useful there? 1 or the 9? Not really. How about over here? Any of these helpful? So we've got the 4, which is marked. 7, 3 is not marked, but 3 can be in these 3. That does make a hidden triple, though. Yeah, 3, 4, and 9. We could have seen this the other way. Yeah, this is much easier to see, actually. We have this 2, 8 here. They need to go in this row. So this is a hidden 2, 8 pair. And that means where does 5 go in this row now? This can't be 5 anymore, because this, let's explain this here a little bit better. This 2, 8 is telling me that these 3 cells cannot be 2 or 8. I mean, more importantly, these two, but it's all 3. These can't be 2, 8. None of these are 2, 8. So there's only 2 cells left that can be 2 or 8 in this row. So they must be. It's a hidden 2, 8 pair in the row. And that means that these 2 cells need to be the 2 digits that are missing from the row. So they need to be the 5 and the 6. Well, this can't be the 5. So the 5 goes here and the 6 goes here. This is not a 5 now. Now this becomes the triple that it said it would. It becomes the what's the digit? 3, 4, 9 triple, right? I saw this 3 looking in, making my corner marks tell me this is a 3, 4, 9 triple. And now it's a little bit easier to see that now. So we got the 5 and the 6. Let's follow up. This can't be 5. So this 5 looks down. This 5 looks in. It's not quite enough. Oh, this 5 also looks down. That is enough. So 5 is placed in this box. That places 5 in this box as well, because we have these 2 5s looking in. So that's 5. That means that's 3. These 2 3s, put a 3 in one of these two. 2, 3. Is this still 2, 3, 4, 6? Yeah. Okay. How about here? We need 3, 4, 6, 7. So this one's not 7. This is 3, 4, 6. It's not 3 either. 3, 4, 6. This isn't 3. So this is 4, 6, 7. In fact, these 3s didn't follow up. They put a 3 here. What about this triple? We need a 1, a 2, and a 4. Yeah, the 4 is placed. That leaves a 1, 2 pair behind. This can't be 4 anymore. In fact, what do these 4s do? They just put a 4 in one of these two. Okay. These 4s look up, putting a 4 in here. And then this 1, 2 pair means this is also a pair involving a 9. It's 5, 9. So this is the 9, this is the 5, because we have this 5 here. That 9 resolves the 9, 4, and 3. This is no longer a 3, so that resolves the 3 in here as well. This is now a 6. That makes that 2. And now we're left with a 3, 4 pair. Oh, sorry, this for the column, this is 3, that's 4. That resolves the 6 here. This 2 resolved the 6. The 4 is resolved in this box. We get the 5 and the 6. Here we go. This is 6. This is 4. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 7. Just based on the corner marks. That's 2 and 1. We get our 2, 7, 8, and 6. That's a 2 and an 8. Up here, we need a 2 and a 5. That's 2, that's 5. That's an 8. We get our 2, 1, and 8 here. This is, let's see, we need 1, 2, and 6. So this is our 6. This is our 1, that's our 2. All right, interesting puzzle today. I don't know if there was a different way to go about this. I mean, technically this was a naked single 6, technically. So probably that's what they wanted you to find. I found it via this 2, 8 hidden pair, because this is kind of a tough naked 6 to have spotted. But once you got the naked 6, this became a naked 5, and then this was a hidden 2, 8 pair. This was a 2, 8 pair for the rest of the row. So you may have found it that way. I actually found it by seeing this 3 looking in, making this a 3, 4, 9 hidden triple, which then... But then I was like, well, if it's that way, probably this 2, 8, 7's doing the same thing, and it was. And the 7 was already placed. So that was my thought process there. I treated this more like how I solved my hards. I hope you don't mind for one day. Very, very low on time today. So wanted to get the video out anyway. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.